How to delete post on Facebook Lite. So if you want to delete a post on Facebook Lite, then what you need to do is first open up your Facebook Lite application. Once you've opened your Facebook Lite, make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now you can simply go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. And once you open your Facebook Lite, go for the upper side, which has that three-dot icon. Go for the profile and open up your profile. Once you open your profile, now here you will have this kind of interface. So here you will have all of your posts, right? So if you want to simply delete a post on Facebook, then you can simply choose the post. Once you've chosen, go for the upper side, which has that three dots icon, and then here you will have delete option. Tap on delete and then tap on yes, and that's it. Your post has been deleted. So that's how you can delete post on Facebook Lite. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.